What's up, guys? Ryan with the MXG channel here again, and the last news video I dropped for you guys was on the 2023 Yamaha YZ450F, and it confirmed that we are indeed getting a all new 2023 YZ450F. Yamaha has dropped their first teaser video, which I showed you in a video a few weeks ago. Since then, I've had a lot of questions. I've had a lot of people pummeling the comment section with, when is this being released? Like, what's the deal? Why are they waiting so long? We're ready to buy a bike. There's been rumors flying. Basically, we don't know anything about the bike other than it's blue, has blue wheels. A bunch of guys tested it, there a few weeks back, and we saw the teaser video. It's been a couple weeks. I would expect a second teaser video any day now, but we haven't seen it yet. When we do, I'll update you. What I can tell you is the rumored release date of the new 2023 YZ450F, and that is August 10th. I've heard that from a couple different sources. Obviously, I don't know it for a fact, but that's what I've heard. I don't know why. I've got questions about why are they waiting so long. Well, I've also heard that there are 2021 Yamahas, which are, or 2022 Yamahas, sorry, that are still arriving at dealers now, which is, late. Like KTM's 2022s were done, in March. You wouldn't get any after that. I heard there are 2022s still arriving at Yamaha dealers. Don't know if it's a supply chain issue. I mean, of course it's a supply chain issue. It's a supply chain issue everywhere. There's also plenty of problems in Japan. Their currency is horrible. It is down so much. It's pretty much a failed currency at this point. So, yeah, they're having their own issues just like everybody else is. So that could be a reason why they want to wait. Maybe they just wanted to build hype throughout the summer. I don't know. But when I see another teaser video or know something about the bike, we don't know anything about the bike yet. But when I know anything, I will drop it here. So rumor is August 10th. Keep watching the channel. Hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss out. Smash the like. Grab your parts from Appalachian Off-Road MC. That's AOMC.mx via one of my links to support this channel, and I'll keep you guys posted. As soon as I hear something, you'll know something. See you in the next one.